For me, this is such an important thing to do, and it's facial massage. Massage, as you may know, helps push lymph, it helps get rid of toxins, it helps with bloating. When you're fatigued, it helps with muscles, aches and pains. And with the face, we build up water retention, we get bloated, puffiness, fine lines, we get dark circles under our eyes that are puffy. And using oils, you can just really manipulate the skin and give it a really good workout and get rid of any sort of bloating. I also find it helps with like anti-aging as well. You can really work on these areas here. So if I've been squinting in the sun too much, just do a really nice sort of massage on my face and it helps with the appearance. So of course I'm going to use coconut oil. Coconut oil is great. It contains antibacterial and antifungal properties. A little goes a long way again with it, and it's really nourishing on the skin. You can use any carrier oil that you want, and this is just my preference. And I'm just going to take my rings off actually. And then what you want to do is literally just get it a pea-sized amount. You don't want a lot. And for me, this is another tip before makeup, do a little facial massage. Think of your skin as your foundation. Like anything, the gums are as important as your teeth, the foundations of a house are as important as the bricks. Like, those bits that you don't always see are more important than the stuff on the outside. And that's the same with the skin. If you want your makeup to look perfect, focus on your skin and then your makeup will follow, or just your general health and well-being. If you want to look good, focus on those inner bits, you know, food, water, your skin. It all is a massive thing that you have to do together to get the best out of it. So we're just going to rub our hands together, make sure they're nice and warm. You want this to be a nice little experience. And we're just going to start by really a nice pressure. So you're moving the skin round your jawline. You can have a little bit more of a firmer pressure. Again, with massage, it's personal preference. Do what you feel comfortable with. And just really get the muscles and your skin working. It's a funny old face, isn't it? And then just literally, really, so what I'm doing is getting my knuckles and I'm just sort of doing that sort of motion. So you can see this here. And just, you can really spend as little as long time. Like in the morning, if I just want a little wake me up, I'll just do a tiny little bit of movement to get everything working. It also helps with how your face looks, so it really helps with cheekbones and puffiness, as I've said already. I'm just going to do a little one tonight because, you know, don't want you guys here for ages. And then around the eyes, this is so important to be careful around the eyes. Don't drag, when you use towels to dry your face, pat it dry, don't drag it, because you're just basically giving your skin that tugging sensation, which can lead to aging. So we want to kind of avoid that as much as possible. Well, I definitely do. Approaching 30 in April. Right, okay. What we're going to do here is we're just going to hold down 3 seconds, then move on. 3 seconds, move on. 3 seconds, move on. And we're going to do it again. Slightly changing where each time, but it doesn't matter if you overlap. And then we're going to do here. Coconut oil also really works on scars, any open cuts, healing tattoos. It really has really healing purposes. I've got this weird cut like on the side of my mouth, and I was using lip gloss and just nothing was helping. I completely forgot about coconut oil. Put that on Monday, and since then it's gone. I put it down to yawning like too widely, but Rich laughed at me and said that I chat too much. Don't know, you could choose. Right, what we're gonna do now is gonna sort of just really gently, as you can see, I'm hardly pulling the skin in any way, but we're just gonna move that out. So what we're doing is moving the lymph, the toxins to our lymph nodes, and then they're being flushed out. What we're also doing is bringing blood and oxygen to the skin. As you can see, my cheeks are getting pink. That's good, you want them to. This is helping to bring oxygen, so it's making the skin younger, fresher, brighter. And just gonna do that. And then up here, I just love, I might need a little bit more, my skin's quite dry. just literally go over like this is just lovely. Pulling up the eyebrows, you can help that make them look higher. And then we're just going to go like this. Just really work the forehead. And then upwards. And then we're going to pinch the brows. Sorry if my nails look a little bit dirty. I was in the garden and I did kind of go over them, but... So the whole thing is kind of either holding it down or pinching, and then we're just going to go over that again and then just moving it out. If you've got more time, you could do a nice little neck and shoulder. I'll do one shoulder just so you can see what to do if you want to do it. Just a tiny bit more. We'll start here and just really just massage this area. You can hold and sort of manipulate it, and then we're going to go here. And just focus on both areas. You can do them at the same time and just really massage the neck. There you have it, a little bit of a facial and neck massage.